not too long. We can't stop.
Yeah.
But we'll honk a couple times, and we hope for the best. We hope for the best. They move. The seagull, he always does it. The time that he usually does it is at 3:30 exactly when the Christmas parade is coming by. So if I happen to be on the train while the Christmas fantasy parade is going on, I know Steven Seagull is going to be
Look
up
at him,
there.
look at him.
Watch, look at him. He knows.
He's playing chicken. Look at him. Ándale, vete.
And then he does it all the time. All the time.